And I will start with how we are integrated a little bit, and then go to the learning experience. The way we are integrated with DataDome is at the CDN level, at the edge. So it's outside of the PayPal uh, infrastructure. And the reason for that, we wanted to have everything being closer to the adversary. So we are not using and leveraging the PayPal compute system infrastructure to do all of that and to stop all of that traffic. We have the different controls, but the bot control, this is the area where we wanted to push outside, closer to the adversary. And we are protecting key entry points. We are in the process of onboarding more and more to Datadome to protect more entry points. You were mentioning login, payment, and also account creation. These are the kind of entry points we are also onboarding to Datadome. And the reason is to have that real-time scoring out there and not just internally. Some of the learning experience we've been having from that integration is, if you imagine a funnel, we want to have at the top of the funnel to stop the vast majority of the automated and the noise from coming in. And just imagine that if we have it one layer down, then we need to deal with that noise one layer down. And that level is where we clean a lot of traffic, but then the next one is seeing less traffic and less bot and less abusers and needing to act against those. But when we push it up, we're making the rest of the layers smarter, and they see a cleaner view and are able to differentiate between the outliers and the legitimate and benign traffic coming in and make their models smarter. Um, that with respect to that cleaner funnel closer to the adversary, and on top of everything, we want to make sure that our customers are not experiencing bad or challenges that they shouldn't. So, for example, if we have a bad detection or a model, we might also challenge legitimate customers, and we want to avoid that as much as possible. And if we do that outside, we and leveraging data capabilities, we are seeing less and less, and the models are learning that fairly quick. And we also get their support 24 by 7.